Hey there creators! Welcome to this CapCut tutorial for PC, where I'll guide you through creating a slick text reveal effect. It's a fun and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up the CapCut app on your PC. Once you're in, hit New Project to get started. Now, it's time to customize your project. Click on Modify to change the project name and set the frame rate. I recommend 30 FPS, but adjust it based on your project's needs. In the Media tab, import your videos or media assets. You can either click the plus sign or simply drag them down to the timeline. Don't forget to choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for this project. Now, select text, add your default text, and tweak its position and duration as you like. Let's add some personality to our text. In the upper right corner, type in your desired text. I'm going with text reveal for this tutorial. Play around with different fonts. I'll go with the bold look of the Oswald font. Adjust the size by dragging it on the preview screen or through the font size box. To make your text pop, consider adding a glow or shadow. I'm going to change the glow intensity and range to around 30 for that extra flair. Of course, feel free to adjust the opacity and blurriness to your liking. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the text reveal effect. Duplicate your text by pressing Alt plus drag for PC or Option plus drag for Mac. Press I to start your range. Place it at the end of the text, then press O. With this, we can turn our text into an MP4 with a black background as an overlay. Hit Export, choose 1080p resolution, 30 FPS frame rate, and export away. Let's wait a few seconds more. Now, import your freshly baked text overlay into the media. Let's cancel this one and press delete. Drag the text overlay to the timeline, align it with the original text, and say goodbye to the original text. So press delete or backspace in your keyboard as we don't need it anymore. Select the text overlay and change its blend mode to screen. Now, let's duplicate the main video, again using Alt plus drag for PC or Option plus drag for Mac. Trim it to match the duration of the text. Click the duplicated video, head to Mask, and select Horizontal Mask. Adjust the mask to fully cover your text. You can rotate the mask like this or just click Reverse. Now, let's animate our text. Click on the text overlay, head to Animation, and choose In. Select Slide Up. You can adjust its duration. Next, tap out, then select Slide Down. Also, adjust the duration to your liking. Let's add an extra touch. Import a plain white background image. Drag it down the timeline. Trim it to match the text overlay, and resize it into a small rectangular line below our text. To resize it freely, just toggle off the uniform scale option. We need to animate that white line as well, so select it and head to Animate, click out, and find Slide Right, then adjust its duration. And for the animation, also select Slide Right. Adjust the timing to make sure the line appears just before the text. Now, let's tie it all together. Select all three layers and make a compound clip. If you're not completely satisfied with the animation timing, no worries. Right-click on the video layer, select Undo Compound Clip, and tweak those animation settings to your heart's content. And there you have it. You've just created a simple yet stylish text reveal effect in CapCut. Feel free to explore more and add your unique touch to make it stand out. Don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button for more CapCut tutorials. Happy editing!